Hello everyone, I'm Arash, a software engineer, and today I'll demonstrate a sentiment analysis system that leverages multiple AI models, including Llama and a pre-trained model. Here's uh, the GitHub repository, which you can find many uh, useful notes here. This project has been developed by Node and Express for the backend and for the front end. I've used React.js style components and some real-time updates which are coming from the backend. I also said that I used a pre-trained model which can be found here. I've trained a model using Kaggle and uh, IMDb dataset, which is uh, like which contains about 50,000 samples with a value and a label. Like it could be positive or even negative. If we wanted to run quickly, uh, let me just show you the project structure. I've also used Docker to containerize the whole project. We have got two different containers, one for front end and one for back end. I'll just run both to get the best response. If I go to localhost 301, we will reach to the front end. Here we got two different models. This model, as previously stated, I've trained it on Kaggle, and this is a Llama 3 model. Okay, let's just test it. Uh, Here you can have a review of a video or for a movie series. For instance, I can say I love the movie. We're using custom model. We're getting positive sentiments with the accuracy of about 100%. If we use Llama 3, we got also positive with the accuracy of 90. If I change it to, for instance, I hate the movie, with Llama, I can get negative label, of course, with 80% accuracy, which is negative with about 99% accuracy with the model that I've trained it. Here we got also some components for showing the history. The 10 last history inputs from user can be found also here. If I go to Kaggle, we have got some, of course, pre-processing methods like mapping the labels to 1 and 0, and removing some stop words. Yeah, see, for instance, this is mapped to 0 and this is mapped to 1, since it is a positive one. We should also tokenize the whole data set, because AI models can only understand integers. I've kind of pushed it to Hugging Face Hub to call it from another third party. Uh, Let me just quickly go to the README file. There are also some points to get the response from curl. For instance, if I copy paste it to the project, I can get like responses also here. I think that's Not correct. Let me just use another curl syntax. Yep. Here I'm calling one API. I mean this API which is made by Node.js. With the input, the movie was fantastic, and the model is custom. It is saying positive and with the accuracy about uh, almost 10%. If I change the model to llama, I can get also positive and confidence about uh, 90%. Uh, we have also uh, got Docker files for containerizing the whole project. I said we got two containers, one for frontend and one for backend, which is here. We got some codes here. Here we got like, let me just expand this. Okay. Uh, I've used the fetch method to get to kind of call the API. And the API, it is defined on 3000 uh, ports slash analyze. If I go to the backend, here our backend, as I said before, I've also used llama 3. I've used GROQ for calling the APIs. For the llama 3, we need some prompts. I said that you're a sentiment analysis expert. Analyze, analyze the following text and return only JSON object. And here I've assigned it to the llama model. And of course, we got the text. I mean, this model, since he or she is a sentiment analysis expert, should give her or give him his response based on this text, which is coming from where? Is coming from the user input. Okay, thanks for watching. Check the GitHub repository link below. And I think that's all. Yeah, thank you.